Christmas is just around the corner. Everybody's thinking about gathering, whether online gathering or in person. But you have to be careful. Safety protocols. I have created this makeup look inspired by my favorite, Son Ye-jin from Crash Landing on You. Hindi kami magkalayo ng age, so siya ang peg ko. But today, I am proving to you that you can wear makeup at the same time, look young and fresh all day long without mask need. Enjoy watching!
Firstly, it is very important to prepare your skin before makeup. I'd like to exfoliate with BioRenew Exfoliating Gel. This is a very gentle exfoliator that could help brighten dull skin and smoothen skin texture for easy makeup application. My favorite part? Dead skin cells coming out from my skin. Next, I would wash off remaining impurities with Bio Water Foamy Cleanser. Next comes a 2-in-1 product called BioGold Gold Water. This is a lightweight hydrating serum toner that would help prevent open pores causing acne. And guys, do not forget your moisturizer. Don't worry, there's a super light moisturizing cream called BioGold Night Cream. This water-based moisturizer has colloidal gold, which will help combat first signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, and a whole lot more. I like it that I can visibly see gold flakes. And here's a tip for you: apply more on areas that you would like to create glass skin effect. Lastly, BioWater Energizing Water as a makeup setter. I'd like to start on concealer application as I let BioWater do its work to regulate oil and sebum production and provide instant cooling and moisture effect. For mask season, I like to use lightweight foundation, so I'm picking a cushion. Once happy with base makeup, I'd like to do another round of BioWater as it will help tighten pores. Son Ye-jin has very natural looking brows, so I'm creating fluffy brows with just an eyebrow mascara. How we wish it would be this easy, right? Using BioWater Micellar Water, I would like to clean up my eyelid before eyeshadow application. This will help eyeshadow stick better and prevent creasing. I have researched a lot and found that Son Ye-jin wear this eyeshadow color a lot. To make the eyes pop, I'm using a muted brown shadow on both upper and lower lash line. Blend, blend, blend. Enjoy the process. Clean up the rest of your face with powder foundation. I seldom see her in liquid liner and it's mostly pencils, so I picked a brown pencil and curl my lashes and add coats and coats of mascara. Son Ye-jin have luscious lashes and I don't have that, so I'm faking it with an eyebrow liner. Don't tell anyone. I'd like to keep a healthy glowing cheeks, so I'm using a cream blush. Mimicking Son Ye-jin's chiseled features, I am using highlighter on my cheekbones, nose bridge, and chin. For the lips, I picked long-wearing, smudge-proof, and transfer-proof lipstick because, hey, we're still gonna wear masks. Transfer-proof? Check. Another spritz of BioWater Energizing Water before I head out. Everything will look more natural and my skin is protected.
So I'm done with my healthy makeup routine. This is perfect for a skin-safe Christmas. I hope you understand that you can always wear makeup as long as you invest on your skincare. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye!
Do not forget to remove your makeup immediately once you arrived home. Your skin might have came in contact with pollutants and bacteria. I trust BioScience Micellar Water with its anti-pollutant formula Plus, it can remove waterproof makeup without drying out my skin.